fine. Today we are going to learn maths, and in maths we are going to learn number line. First of all, I have to explain you what is number line. See this is a number line. In this number line, two arrows are there. One is at left side and second is at right side. In this, numbers are written from 0 to 10, and after 10 you can write above than hundreds and many more. Okay. See this, the numbers are written in the same manner and giving the gap of same measurement. Okay. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this number line, have you noticed something? The numbers which is written on the right side is greater than the number which is written on left side. For example, if I choose number 4, here I am going to draw a circle on number 4. If I choose number 4, have you seen that the number which is written on the right side of 4, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is greater than 4. Okay? And the number which is written on the left side of 4, that is 3, 2, 1, 0, that is smaller than 4. That means right side number is always greater than left side number. Okay? Left side number is always smaller than the right side number. For example, I choose 4. Okay? Now, here I am going to choose 7. Okay? 7. I make a dot on 7. See, 4 is smaller than 7 or greater than 7? You tell me. 4 is smaller than 7. So, we make the sign of greater than like this. The sign of greater than and smaller than. Always keep the mouth of crocodile in front of greater number. Okay? That is the sign of greater than. Okay? Now, next number. Here I choose 2 number. Okay? Number 2. Now, see the number 1. You tell me, is 2 is greater than 1 or smaller than 1? 2 is greater than 1. So, where is the mouth of crocodile? In front of number 2. Okay? Number lines help us in many sums, like greater than, smaller than, after number, before number, missing number also, addition, subtraction and many more. Okay. Now, here see this, fill the missing numbers. Here I draw number lines and I skip the number. You have to tell the numbers which is coming in that blank. Okay. Here I write 0, then 1. Which number come after 1? That is 2. Means after 1, 2 is there, and before 3, 2 is there. That means the concept of before and after number you can understand by the number line. Okay. Now, 3, 4. After 4, which number? 5. I have to write 5. That means after 4, 5 is coming, and before 6, 5 is coming. Okay. Now, 6, 7. After 7, what I have to write? 8. Right? Here I write 8. That means after 7, which number comes? 8. And before 9? 8. Okay. Now, second one is 0, 1, 2. Which number I have to write here? 3. Okay. 3. That means before 4 you have to write 3, and after 2 you have to write 3. That means 3 is between number in between 2 and 4. Got it? Now, after 5 I have to write 6. That means 6 is 6 comes after 5 and before 7, and in between 5 and 7 6 number is come. Then after 9 and which number comes? 10. Okay. Here also 0, 1, 2, 3. After 3 4 is there, means 4 comes after 3 and before 5. After 5 6 is there, and then 7, 8, and which number I have to write here? 9. Okay. So, I hope you understand the number line and the concept that at right side the numbers are always at greater, and at the left side numbers are always smaller. In that you have to put the sign of greater and smaller, right? And you also learn after and before number in this concept, and because if we write the numbers in the missing letters, blank missing block, then you can get the numbers which come after and which comes before. I hope you all understand that. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.